Today we are going to learn how to replace this tap. So as I open the tap, the water is flowing through the tap. We have to stop it to remove this tap. For this you have to close the water tank. The overhead tank, if you have, just close the nozzle so that the water does not flow through the tap. Now you can see I closed the overhead tank, so water stopped. Now we are going to take off this tap. To remove this tap, you have to turn it in the anti-clockwise like this. It may be a little tight. Sometimes you can use a wrench also. Completely remove this. Then use a screwdriver like this to clean all the debris, all the dust from this. But be careful, do not break the inside pipe. Just if you have any dust, make sure that you remove this. Now this is the new tap that we are going to fix it here. Before we fix it, as you can see, in this place the threads are there. You have to seal it with a Teflon tape. This is a Teflon tape. This is available in the hardware stores. This is also available online. I have given the link in the description for the spelling. Now use this tape here just to rotate. Just cover the entire thread, the tap thread. This is the tap, these are the threads. It's very easy. Just buy the Teflon tape. The reason we are putting Teflon tape is to avoid leakage through these threads. When we fix the tap, there is small gaps through the threads. So when we seal it with Teflon tape, naturally it will not drain any liquid through that, which means there will be no leakage. Now once we put the entire threads with Teflon tape, this avoids and seals all the leakage of the water. Now we are going to fix it inside the place where the old tap was there. So just to do this, like a bottle cap, place it straightly and then turn it inside. Make sure you don't tight the tap so hard, because if we want to remove it again, then it's going to become very difficult. You can see the new tap is in place. It looks perfect in its position. But the water is not flowing through that because we closed the overhead tank. Now we are going to open it.